At a starting price that shocks the entire motorhome world, the 2026 Toyota 6x6 Motorhome arrives offering capabilities and comfort that feel far beyond its segment, and today we are diving deep into what makes this six-wheeled giant one of the most talked about adventure machines of the year. This is the kind of vehicle that makes you stop scrolling, look twice, and imagine yourself driving across deserts, mountains, and coastlines without ever worrying about space, power, or luxury. And right from the beginning, the price hook is simple. You are getting the comfort of a premium apartment, the confidence of an off-road monster, and the engineering of Toyota reliability all wrapped into a futuristic 6x6 platform built to take you anywhere. That combination alone already turns heads, but the real magic lies inside its design, performance, and features that push the boundaries of what a motorhome can be. The 2026 Toyota 6x6 Motorhome sits on a reinforced ladder frame chassis designed to handle extreme terrains while carrying a fully equipped living module. The triple-axle setup gives it remarkable stability, improved weight distribution, and traction that makes rough trails feel surprisingly smooth. Under the hood, Toyota offers a hybrid twin-turbo V6 engine paired with an electric assist system that together deliver over 500 horsepower, giving the vehicle enough force to pull itself through sand, snow, mud, steep inclines, and long highway stretches without hesitation. The six-wheel drive system constantly monitors grip and automatically distributes torque to all three axles, ensuring the vehicle never loses momentum regardless of the environment. This combination of hybrid efficiency and raw capability means you get long-distance range, reduced fuel consumption, and quiet electric cruising when needed. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota 6x6 Motorhome looks like a futuristic expedition machine with muscular fenders, LED matrix lighting, high-mounted roof rails, and armored body cladding. The vehicle's elevated stance comes from an adaptive air suspension that can lift or lower depending on terrain, improving approach and departure angles during off-road adventures. The roof accommodates solar panels that supply constant auxiliary power, reducing dependency on fuel or external hookups. A side-mounted deployable awning extends out automatically at the press of a button, transforming any landscape into a relaxing outdoor living space. The rear includes a heavy-duty ladder, spare tire mount, and storage compartments designed for tools, recovery gear, and camping essentials. Inside, the Toyota 6x6 Motorhome completely redefines what comfort means on a long journey. As soon as you step in, you are greeted by a spacious cabin that blends modern luxury with practical design. Soft touch materials, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows make the entire space feel warm and open. The living area includes a convertible sofa set, a fold-out dining table, and integrated climate control that maintains ideal temperatures regardless of outside conditions. A smart infotainment hub lets you control lighting, temperature, battery levels, security cameras, and water systems all through a touchscreen interface or through a mobile app. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a compact induction stove, microwave oven, refrigerator, freezer, and deep stainless steel sink. Smart cabinetry ensures everything stays in place even during rough rides. The bathroom features a full standing shower, eco-flush toilet, and vanity storage so you never feel like you are sacrificing comfort for mobility. The bedroom area at the rear includes a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead storage cabinets, and reading lights, giving you a peaceful space to unwind after a long day of travel or exploration. Multiple charging outlets, wireless charging pads, and optional satellite internet keep you connected no matter where you roam. In terms of technology, Toyota integrates advanced safety and driver assistance systems such as radar cruise control, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, off-road terrain mapping, and night vision assist. These features help you navigate remote areas confidently while keeping passengers comfortable and secure. The digital cockpit provides real-time information about power distribution across all six wheels, suspension height adjustments, battery usage, and navigation routes optimized for large vehicles. The vehicle also supports vehicle-to-grid power sharing, allowing you to power equipment or even assist other travelers in emergencies. Practicality shines through with oversized water tanks, a dual battery setup, external power outlets, and climate-resistant insulation capable of handling extreme temperatures. The cargo area is accessible from both inside and outside, making it easy to load gear, bicycles, or camping supplies. The motorhome also includes a built-in stabilizer system that automatically levels the vehicle when parked, ensuring the living area stays perfectly balanced even on uneven ground. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota 6x6 motorhome is designed not just for travel but for lifestyle freedom, letting you explore destinations without limits while enjoying the comfort of home. From its fearless off-road capability to its refined interior and smart technology, every inch of this machine showcases Toyota's vision for the future of adventure vehicles. If you dream of long journeys, wide-open landscapes, and unforgettable experiences, this motorhome delivers everything you need and more. Beyond the impressive engineering and luxurious interior, what truly sets this motorhome apart is the sense of independence it gives every traveler. You are not tied to hotels, schedules, or predictable routes. Instead, you have the freedom to carve your own path across continents, turning deserts, dense forests, or icy trails into your personal backyard. The Toyota 6x6 platform is engineered to be dependable even during weeks-long off-grid expeditions, supported by solar power management, storage capacity, and a design that minimizes the need for frequent maintenance. This means more time enjoying nature and less time worrying about support or logistics. Whether you are a weekend explorer, a traveler, or someone who simply wants to experience life beyond city limits, this motorhome feels like an invitation to step outside the ordinary. It is built not just for transportation but for transformation, turning every journey into something memorable. If you enjoyed this review and want more amazing automotive content, make sure to hit subscribe to Auto Turbo Heels.